Ever heard of a bug zapper or a GFCI outlet and wondered what they are? Today, we're diving into 22 must-know real-life words. See, hear, and learn practical English that textbooks don't teach. Let's get started. Bug zapper. Back scratcher. Drain snake. Pressure washer. Borescope. Stud finder. Drywall anchor. GFCI outlet. Smart plug. Weather stripping. Thermostat. HVAC filter. Dehumidifier. Smoke detector. Caulking. Thermal curtain. Draft blocker. Water meter. Roof vent. French drain. Flapper valve. Evaporative cooler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.